the appointment of God to every human being in the book of Hebrews 9:27. Number 1, the appointment to be born. Mabasa to Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse number 1 and 2. Psalms 139 verse number 14. Number 2, the appointment to be saved. Atong mabasa sa 1 Timothy 2:4, 2 Peter chapter 3 verse number 9. Then number 3, the appointment to die. Atong mabasa Hebrews 9:27, Romans 6:23, 1 Corinthians 15:55 to 57. Then number 4, the appointment to judge by God in the book of Hebrews 9:27. Letter A, the judgment to the unsaved.